Assalamu alaikum. This research has been conducted by Mushtaq Ahmad and their supervisor Sayyid Sahurul Hassan Zaidi. Here presenting clinical research based poster presentation for Emerging Scientists 2021. The topic is that clinical evaluation of polyherbal formulation for increasing platelet count in dengue fever patients. The purpose of this study to evaluate the efficacy of this polyherbal formulation and also develop a source of platelet increasing in dengue fever patients. To highlight alternative or folk medicines are Carica papaya, Beta vulgaris and Meles domestica. Dengue fever is a viral disease that has rapidly spread globally in 21st century. It is transmitted by Aedes aegypti and rarely Aedes albopictus. These mosquitoes are also carrier of chikungunya, yellow virus and Zika virus. Carica papaya, which act on dengue fever clinical manifestations like flu, cold, high-grade fever, headache, joint and muscle discomfort, nausea, pain behind eyes and vomiting. Epidemiology: about 75% of the worldwide population of dengue patients belongs to Asia. In 2010, WHO reported 1,87,333 dengue cases in Southeast Asia, and this rate is 18 times higher than America. Dengue fever is a huge concern in Pakistan since 2005, taking many people in danger zone. Till 2016, 71,649 patients were reported with 797 deaths. Nowadays, the use of alternative medicines therapy and herbal Unani plant derivatives have been greatly increased all over the world, and as compared to use synthetic medicines. Three plants are used in the formulation of increasing platelet count. The first one, Carica papaya, is now cultivated in many countries, including Pakistan, for commercial purpose. Carica papaya juice is known for its platelet increasing property with evidence. The second plant is Beta vulgaris, that traditionally used as healthy juice and to increase platelet count and hemoglobin. This study was conducted to prove aggravating property. The third plant is Meles domestica, was used to treat thrombocytopenia. This study was conducted to evaluate its efficacy on dengue-induced thrombocytopenia patients. Material and methods. This study, open label single arm randomized clinical trial, was conducted as Habicure Clinic and Hijama Center, which serves the population surrounding Gulshan-e-Iqbal as well as other areas of Karachi. A data of 50 patients were collected who reported in Habicure Clinic between October to November 2019. A clinical diagnosis of dengue fever was made by a clinicians based on patient's presentation and blood investigation. The all patients aged between 8 to 66 years with dengue-induced thrombocytopenia and also NS1, non-structural 1 or IgM, that mean immunoglobulin M positive. Results: overall, 50 patients were included in the study, keeping the inclusion criteria, and some patients were not taken in the study due to exclusion criteria. In current study, 50 subjects were enrolled, 56% were males and 44% were females. Most frequent age related to patients were between 8 years to 40 years. Mean platelet count before treatment 1,36,840. Minimum range was 11,000 while maximum range was 2,71,000. Mean platelet count after treatment was 2,47,940. Minimum count was 33,000 while maximum platelet count was 5,76,000. Mean increase in platelet count after treatment was 1,11,100. Conclusion: it is concluded that mean increase in platelet count after treatment was 1,11,100, hence showed a great efficacy in increasing platelet count. It is recommended to conduct the study on larger scale and better and authentic management of dengue-induced thrombocytopenia. Present results are promising for future long study and good source for increasing platelet count. Acknowledgement. We are very thankful to our supervisor Sayyid Zahurul Hassan Zaidi, who providing us a chance to gain knowledge and confidence, and also special thanks to Dean, Faculty of Eastern Medicine, Hamdard University, for giving us this permission to conduct this study. Thank you so much.